Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jahnavi and you're watching Study with Jahnavi channel. So in today's session, I'm going to give you most interesting education techniques of this decade. But before getting into the video, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll get all my notifications on. One of the most important quality of a teacher is willingness to try new things. The instructional methods of yesterday would not be more effective for today and tomorrow. So if you are an educator, you need to be more adaptive. So that I have given you 3 educational techniques in this video that is currently waving throughout the world. Flipped classrooms. Flipped classrooms are ones where teachers record lessons for students to view at home. Then during class, the students do their homework. It might sound strange for you, but flipped classrooms are turning things around for many struggling schools. For example, one principal in Detroit flipped his entire high school after conducting a successful experiment on the effectiveness of flipped classrooms. The results showed that students who could watch lessons on their smartphones or home computers were more prone to repeat viewings, and furthermore, doing their homework under a teacher's supervision allowed them to ask questions, clarify concepts, and reach a deeper understanding of the subject. They might sound backward, but flipped classrooms are actually taking students forward. Number 2. Social media integration. Social media has become a driving force for young people, and you can tap into this by turning social media networks into learning platforms. For example, if you are an art teacher, you can ask your students to upload their artwork to Flickr and Instagram. Pinterest can be used to collect blog posts on fun science projects. And YouTube can become your new homework helper where you solve math problems step by step. Don't think of it as a fad. Think of it as a future. And the last one is gamification. Learning through the use of games is one of the teaching methods that has already been explored, especially in elementary and preschool education. By using games, students learn without even realizing. Therefore, learning through play or gamification is a learning technique that can be very effective at any age. It is also a very useful technique to keep students motivated. Teachers should design projects that are appropriate for their students, taking into account of their age and knowledge. That should be more attractive enough to provide extra information and extra motivation. One idea may be to encourage students to create quizzes online on a certain topic. Students can challenge their peers to test themselves and see who gets a higher score. In this way, students can enjoy the competition with peers while also having fun and learning. Have you had experience with these interesting education techniques? Or do you know any other techniques that will be useful for us? Comment me below so you can share with others. And that's it for this session. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so you'll get all my notifications on.